6th Gen 4runner speakers. So 6th Gen 4runner speakers, this is non-GBL, comes with the door speaker, a dash speaker, and the rear speaker. The rear speaker have a treble and the bass. You can get a vocals here. But these speakers, for some reason, act like a woofer. There's no treble, no vocals, nothing, no mids, no low only comes from here. So what happened, because these vehicles have a ANC, active noise cancellation, so these act like a woofer. So these are a woofer speakers. All the low notes and all the mid notes comes from this one. These are not the tweeter, but these are speakers. So already the 4runner 6th generation has a better audio system than 5th generation. But there's a little bit difference where a lot of companies selling their product and their junk. So I will recommend you to change only the dash speaker. These are, you need a speakers, 4-inch speaker with the tutor built in. So I'm gonna show you which one I am using and how I changed it. I got it from Crutchfield. These kicker speakers, it cost me around $69. It comes with the harness. I will show you the pictures. They will give you the free harness. It's very simple. One is plus side, another one minus, and just plug and play. And the total price, it cost me around $68.43. These are the very nice speakers and build quality is very nice. These are the harness it comes. So let's go for the installation. It requires actually 10 mm socket. So that's a 10 mm socket. You can just, and these were not super tight, very easy to open. Just remove the harness, a clip, push it down and pull it out. Simple as that. So that's the speakers. That's the speaker. Is actually 8 ohm made in Vietnam. To super tight, just I cut it this side, you will see, because this was actually blocking the hole for the cover. That cover goes, so this clip will go inside. So no need to super tight, just hand tight, little bit hand tight. This is it, and this is it. Look, that's it. Because and it's snug and tight. Put the cover back. Yeah, here you go. And alrighty, let's test the music. CD of FM. Go to Pop Rocks. Wow, what a change. So I do not listen the music this way. I actually listen different way. I keep my music back one on, like the back speaker. Let me go there. I always keep the music sound this way. Yeah, still speaker coming, a sound clear. Come on, man. Yeah, now I can hear all the mids and lows and everything. One speaker makes such a difference. Let me install another one. Yeah. Even this way, I can hear them. So these are the woofer actually. They have nothing in it. Look at that. hear nothing. You hear everything from here. Very different. This is 4 ohm and this is 8 ohm. 8 ohm can take a lot of voltage, and this will maybe warm up our system. If you buy a low ohm speaker and if you playing full speed, you might destroy your multimedia player. But I have to cut this one of the pins so it can go inside. And this is all the speaker is. Here's the close-up look. So in previous 5th generation, I actually replaced all the speaker, not the tweeter, and still I was not getting nice sound. And when I replaced tweeter on the dash, then I figured out that this is the first thing everybody has to do it before replacing a speaker or putting a Beat Sonic amplifier inside that the BS thing, paying $300 now. Just replace that piece of thing, and this is it. Your sound level will go different. You will get a best sound in the world. All right, so I cut it on this side like this one. I figure out that there's space here and this is a bump, so speaker has to go inside. So let me put it as speaker, and the pins will go on this side. There you go, all the pins are good. I cut it this side because there is something here. This is how it's gonna sit. Just screw it tight and boom boom shakalaka. So these are the speakers, kickers. I guarantee you this will change your car sound 110%. Replace this one, and if you like it, subscribe my channel. If you don't like it, pray for me.